Good day, Robert Farrell here. I'm about to teach you how to earn thousands with a coffee store without selling. So watch this. So as you know, the online buying frenzy is insane. It's been going on since March 2020. So I'm about to share with you. All you have to do is click this little blue button here, banner ad. Go to my website, 100% for free. I will share with you how I make thousands and thousands of my students make money online with coffee, tea, snacks, beverages. Now I'm going to look you dead in the eye and tell you you're a total fool if you don't do this. Because right now, Black Friday, today through Monday, I'm offering a special deal. My turnkey WordPress coffee, tea, snack store with all the bells and whistles goes for $2.99 per year. I have a special one-time offer for $59. You get your store for 3 years. But before you even decide to do anything, go check out my free training videos and share with you how I do this. Now in February 2013, I launched a coffee, tea, snacks, beverage store with 25 students. By the end of 2013, I had 25 customers. By the end of 2013, I had over 1,800 customers. As of last 2 weeks ago, November 2020, I now have 15,700 buying customers that buy products from my coffee, tea, snack store through Amazon. Let me share with you what I'm talking about. So this is one of my coffee, tea, snacks, beverage stores. This is one of my student Dom's. Actually, this is his Christmas store, my mistake. Let me bring up his coffee store. So this is my 95-year-old World War II vet, Dom's coffee, tea, snack store. He launched this in September. He's already made more than $1,200. This is Becky's coffee, tea, snack store. She's a single mother of 3 girls. She basically has 7 different websites, and she earns online by working smart because she doesn't sell, she engages. Let me share with you what I'm talking about. So rule number 1, if you want to earn online, then stop selling. I teach my students to engage by not selling, by offering value. So as an example, when Becky wants to engage, or my 95-year-old student Dom wants to engage with their social media, they don't post products on their social media, they post recipes or reviews or how-to. So let me explain with you how simple this is to do. So I am back in WordPress software. You'll have access to premium software, all for $59 for 3 years, completely turnkey. Plus, if you offer my turnkey system and somebody buys, I typically charge $2.99 per year. You'll earn 20%. That's a separate subject. So let me share with you. If Becky wanted to post this on her social media, here's how simple it is to do. So my students would simply have to click the Facebook icon and post this on social media. But notice when somebody clicks to watch the video, it's taking it to their website. Now here's another thing I suggest you do. Do not post this on your profile page. If you have a Coffee Tea Snacks website, set up a Coffee Tea Snacks Facebook page or a Twitter page or an Instagram page. That's working smart. More importantly, ask an engaging question. Now, I'm not going to bore with my typing skills, but I put something like, have you tried this iced espresso recipe? Do you have your own iced espresso recipe to share yourself? Hashtag coffee recipes, etc., etc. So the whole idea here is I want to engage you how to earn by working smart and not, N-O-T, not selling. I don't want you to sell anything. So you can engage people very simply with my complete turnkey system. Yours today through Cyber Monday for $59. Normally $2.99 per year. $59 gets you 3 years. Premium hosting, coffee, everything you need to succeed through Amazon. The products are brought in automatically for you. So take advantage of the buying frenzy that's going on right now in the world and work smart. Your friends, family, coworkers are working or are basically buying online. Why not buy from your engaging coffee, tea, snacks recipe? Now, the nice thing about that category, everybody on this planet drinks coffee, tea, snacks, beverages. Okay, beverages could be water, bottled water, coconut water. So let's work smart and don't be foolish. This is a wonderful opportunity. And by the way, it makes a great, unique Christmas gift. Click the blue banner ad, go check out my site, watch my training video for free first, and then decide. Talk to you soon. Carpe Diem 2020. Stay home, stay safe, and stay positive.